Well, my name is Andres Arango. I'm 19 years old and I live in Harlem on 47th Street in Bradford. Yeah, I think I'm middle class. Having enough but not too much. I'm not taking trips to foreign lands all the time, but I am eating organic eggs. So what we had what we needed, but it was a little better than all my friends, you know? What I had a couch, my couch was like really nice. There was no plastic on the couch. Well, my mom personally, she's great. Everything she does it for us. It's never she herself, even though I guess we're middle class, she's clawing on that. She's like holding on to that middle class spot because any second it could drop down. So that's my mom. Like middle class for me is not about me having a lot of money, because I don't feel she doesn't show me. She's not slanging me dollars or nothing like that. But middle class to me is me just being so healthy. These kids are eating Popeyes. I don't eat Popeyes. That's the difference between lower class and middle class. It's just, for me, it's food. It's all food for me. It's all food.